Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix USB port not working Windows 11. Remove laptop power cord and charger connector. Shut off your computer. Once again, plug your USB device into a laptop. Reconnect the power source. Right click Start menu. Select Device Manager. Click Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right click USB Root Hub. Select Properties. Go to the Power Management. Check the option. Click OK. Click Disk Drivers. Then update the drivers. Follow my screen. Restart your computer. Thanks for watching.